Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more update. Let's create perfect symmetry using align and distribute. Select all shapes you want to organize. Click align center for vertical alignment. Then click align middle for horizontal alignment. Have a flawless centers composition. Move into distribute to handle spacing. Choose distribute horizontal space to equalize distances. Use distribute vertical spaces if working with columns. Your layout instantly becomes cleaner. This is widely used for web UI, dashboard, and grids. Aligning by centers prevents drifting elements. Distribute spacing prevents overcrowding. Thanks for watching. Your align and distribute shapes is ready in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.